Welcome to one and all. Namaskar. Honorable Governor Sri of Gujarat and Honorable Chancellor of Kamden University, Respected Sri Acharya Devrajji. Honorable Minister of Water Supply, Animal Husbandry and Rural Housing, Governor of Gujarat, Sri Kore Baware sir. Chief guest of today's most cherished event, Dr. Praveen Malik, Commissioner of Animal Husbandry, Governor of India. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Children University, Dr. Harshad Bhai Saheb. Members of Board of Management, Secretary, Animal Husbandry, Nalini Upadhyay ji. Members of Planning Board, Academic Council, Finance Committee, Directors and Deans of Kamden State Universities, donors of gold medals and degree recipients, representative of press and media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on 7th convocation of Kamden University. I heartily welcome our humble Honorable Governor Sri of Gujarat and Chancellor of Kamden University, Sri Acharya Devrajji, who has consented to preside over this convocation. His august presence is inspiring, encouraging, and blessings to all of us. He has served the principal of Gurukul in Kurukshetra, Haryana, and is well-known Arya Samaj Pracharak. I feel proud to share today that Honorable Governor Sri, amidst his busy schedule, advocates practice of cow-based agriculture, organic farming, and maintaining cultural heritage of rural India. So I once again extend a warm welcome to Honorable Chancellor of Kamden University, Acharya Devrajji. Your blessings to students receiving the medals and degrees will certainly motivate them to meet the challenges of their professional and social life. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Sri Kore Baware sir, Honorable Minister of Animal Husbandry, for his gracious presence on this occasion. Honorable Minister has given positive response whenever we approach for him for development of Kamden University. His key role in budgetary allocation of rupees 137 crore to Kamden University is highly appreciable. Honoring our invitation, he is here to bless the students. I, on behalf of Kamden University, promise to take up activities befitting to your vision and aspirations of farming and Pashupalak community of Gujarat. With deep sense of gratitude, I welcome Dr. Praveen Malik, my alumni of Pantnagar, Commissioner of Animal Husbandry, for sparing his valuable time to grace this occasion in spite of his busy schedule. Your presence has encouraged the gathering, and it is truly motivated to the students awarding degrees and to this convocation. I also welcome Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Harshad Bhai Shah, Children University. I am feeling proud to welcome our Secretary and University, Nalini Upadhyay ji. We, Kamden University Parivar, are extremely honored by his gracious presence. Now, I shall present brief account of progress made by Kamden University after last convocation, which was held on 17th January. Participate blood donation camp on occasion of birthday celebration of our Honorable Governor Sri on 18th of January. Celebrated national events, Republic Day and Independence Day. Online farewell of first decennial celebration under the chairmanship of our Governor Sri. Organized technical seminar in which highlighted the achievements our activity and roadmap of Kamden University. Book exhibition, one Mahotsav, selfie with saplings program was organized. Yoga Karmesu Karsalam, Yoga was inspiration talk under Vichar Manthan. Celebrated Constitution Day. Online is lifeline during Corona pandemic. Kamden University worked and organized number of activities effectively using the digital platform for conduct of online classes for all students across all academic institutes. We have also organized different training courses, competitions, workshops, seminars, webinars, meetings using online portal. I can say 53 online training and 17 offline trainings were organized during Corona. Besides motivational speech and activities like yoga, creative competition and related things for students and staff. Organized novel Corona COVID prevention and precaution distribution program during the lockdown period 3 when offices were open. Organized online quiz and competitions for COVID-19 awareness. Organized webinar on reaching out to our Kamden University students during prevailing COVID-19 pandemic. Online 1-minute video making competitions on my experience. Rendered help to villagers for downloading Arogya Setu app. NSS special camp. Telesira checkup camp. National integration camp in Junagadh. Students participate in Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad. Online PFMS training for NSS program officer and participate in national debate competition at Pantnagar. Organized second STSC cell meeting and NSS advisory committee meeting. Celebrated International Yoga Day. 3 trainings programs were organized on embryology with GBRC sponsored by GSBTM. Webinar on mental health and drug awareness. Webinar on cyber security. Webinar on National Water Service Portal awareness and online debate competition. Webinar on Parakram Day celebration. Shahid this was observed to mark respect and death anniversary of Paradav Nation. Snehavilan for Kamden Parivar. Fit India Freedom Run jogging as a part of celebration of National Sports Day. Pledge taking on Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Pledge for COVID-19 virus awareness and celebrate Mahila Kisan Divas. International Gita Mahotsav. Organization of Vidya Aram program. Faculty from MIDFT Dr. Deepak Mudgil is ranked in the Stanford's list of top 2% scientists for the year 2019 in food science. Rokar Hardik, student from Juna Veterinary College, has secured second prize on online competition. Mr. Ketul Patel, student from PGIFER, first prize in research paper entitled in International Congress on Climate Change. Ms. Supriya Sharma stood first in online solo dance competition. National level LPM competition, all the Gujarat students secured first, second and third prize. KU participant in national conference and debate. KU at Youth Festival at Raipur. KU at Agri Sport 2020 at Tirupati. Teachers Day celebration. Participated Atmanirbhar webinar and NEP program with HRD Minister. National Education Policy 2020, almost 25 online webinars were attended to have in-depth knowledge of National Education Policy. KU has also organized a webinar on role of teachers in National Education Policy in collaboration with Bharatiya Shiksha Mandal and Niti Aayog. Kamdenu University Act was amended in 2020 for expansion. With this landmark amendment, the government has expanded its wing of Kamdenu University and now having state-wise jurisdiction in dual sense. Sri Korea Bawal sir visited Navsari Veterinary College and Fisheries College Navsari. He also visited Veterinary College Junagadh. Honorable Governor Sri, I am happy to share that after recent amendment in the Act, Kamdenu University has successfully completed the first admission process including ICR and VCR for UG, PG as well as PhD courses by online counseling amidst COVID-19 pandemic. I am happy to share that entire effort of Kamdenu University Parivar for admission process was a grand success in a short period of time and has fruitful results too. On the theme of Kamdenu University started in the year 2010 when the College of Dairy Science, our first continuing college, started functioning own fully functional infrastructure set up in a new building at Amreli. We have one constituted and one affiliated college besides other transfer college from SAUs. Inauguration of building of College of Dairy Science Amreli by our Honorable PM on his birthday. Besides education, College of Dairy Science has received 8 research projects. Out of these 8, 6 has been completed. Having state-of-art facilities developed under ICR NHB program and is ranked front-runner in country for execution of this project and appreciated by ICR and Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sarvas during his visit in recent past. A virtual training program for faculties of art of online communication for effective delivery of lectures were also organized. Workshop on soft skills and business communication, training program on developing women research proposal, workshop on personality development for dairy entrepreneurs by faculty from Denmark, opportunities of dairy business in Denmark, webinar of overseas dairy education guidance for IELTS exam, celebrate National Milk Day, webinar on breaking myth of science communication, campus interview for final year BTech students, organize webinar on education and career opportunities in field of dairy science, 2 webinars on reducing carbon footprint in the dairy industry, future and challenges organized by MIDFT Mehsana. For testing quality of milk, a rapid nanotechnology based dipstick device for detection of adulteration in milk is being developed by CDS Amreli. It is easy to use, cheaper and accurate, which can be used by common people, livestock owner at their doorstep, as well as recommended one given for dairy entrepreneur. Honoring the veterinary professor, the motto of our esteemed university, I feel proud to share with you that our university has taken the expert veterinary service to a whole new level. Modern diagnostic equipments are available at our Himmatnagar campus and being appreciated by beneficiaries. Kamdenu University is committed to transform the veterinary healthcare service and strive towards our vision of creating a healthy and sustainable world for animals and people. Till date, more than 4,500 animals have been treated and have examined more than 5,000 biological test samples for different systemic and infectious conditions of all species, rendering ambulance service in surrounding villages, organize clinical camps and celebrate National Deworming Day. 60-20 animals have been treated on a single day. Organize webinar on potential of cow-based industry during post-COVID era. KU is committed to look forward to aspects of veterinary medicine and public health in future. The antimicrobial resistance is also a bigger challenge in the present era. Honorable Governor Sri, we have arranged webinars on bird flu, AMR, cardiology, etc. Our experts from veterinary cardiology are acting as subject matter specialists and delivers lecture on OPU, IVF at NDDB and recommended for field vets. Webinar on education and career opportunity in field of veterinary science. Application of embryo transfer technology in field in collaboration with NDDB. Webinar on artificial insemination in cattle and buffalo in collaboration with NDDB. Here I am happy to share one new veterinary college has been sanctioned by government and will start operating from next academic year after permission from Veterinary Council of India. Coming to fishery sector, Honorable Governor Sri, Gujarat state is blessed with 1600 km coastline and is also keen to bring up the view regulation, which eventually going to increase the income of fishermen. We have our once constituted PGIFER at Himmatnagar and a COE at UKI, sanctioned fisheries UG and PG college organize training program, organize training program, development of different value-added products from fishes, national webinar on aquaculture, 4 days MOOC course on entrepreneurship development, fish health management in freshwater cage aquaculture, potential on production of backyard ornamental fish farming in Ukai region, webinar on education and career opportunity in the field of fishery science, celebrated National Fish Farmers Day, organized training on value-added fish at Center of Excellence in Ukai. Sir, we have Veterinary and Animal Science Research Council, which governs research activities in all faculties to promote and facilitate scientific research and extension services and academic program of mutual interest. University has signed 2 more MOUs with Brook India and Gujarat University this year, which rise to total 15 signed MOU for research collaboration, and initiating for research work on Panchgavya was also initiated with help of South Gujarat University, Surat. Coming to extension, research remains incomplete if the outcome of research doesn't reach to the society in need. Till date, more than 6,000 livestock owners have received the benefits through such training program. Organized scientific animal husbandry training program, and we are having Godoli University newsletter Kalrav besides other publications, which is freely accessible and downloaded from university website. Refrigerator training for veterinary professors are also being organized under SCAR program. Organized webinar on educational opportunities in the veterinary, dairy and fishery sector. Numbers of programs broadcasted with regards to academic program undertaken by Kamden University and broadcast in social media for wide publicity. Recently, in February 2021, we organized first meeting of JERC as a brainstorming session on optimization of existing issues faced by farmers. In last year, 3 meetings of Board of Management, 4 meetings of Academic Council were held to accord the approval for various academic and administrative matters for the progress of the university. For the planning and development activities, Kamden University has organized 1 planning board meeting. I feel proud to be alumni of Pantnagar and received outstanding alumni award from Pantnagar University, and also selected a VCI nominee and executive member of VCI by Department of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Government of India, New Delhi. The day of convocation is important for the university and the students as well. In this convocation, we are awarding UG, PG and PhD degree to 83 students and awarding 8 medals to 5 students. I am delighted and feel proud to see students receiving degrees and medals. Dear students, we are in noble profession. Here, from today onwards, you shall serve the society of deaf and dumb animals, the marginal as well as commercial milk animals, farmers, commercial dairy industry sector, the marginal or organized fishermen committee. Also, you are the ambassador of this esteemed university, and I am sure your future action and activities will keep the university flag in high esteem. Work hard with full sincerity, honesty, confidence that will take you on the road to the success. Dear students, I once again congratulate you and wish you a bright future in whatever career you choose. I also congratulate your parents and teachers who provided guidance and direction to reach you at your destination. Dear students, I wish you all the best in every endeavor you make in shouldering your new rules and responsibility in the society. You carry the flag of unique university. Make the university proud by your smart and innovative working efficiency, dedicated and ethical approach in your future work. I invite you to join hands to contribute in socio-economic development of our state. Once again, I welcome one and all on this auspicious day of Dikshant Samaroh of this university. Jai Hind, Jai Jai Gujarat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Thank you.